This is the new Airsoft concept piece I've been playing with all week. It looks like it crawled out of an art gallery, but it's an airsoft launcher. Matte ceramic plates up top, all this brass filigree that feels almost alive, and the grip is leather, soft but with a lot of bite. The hatch doesn't do anything functional, but the clockwork inside is gorgeous. And the selector ring? Just symbols, no...
In the sun, the Helion looks almost alive. These brushed titanium petals fold out with a gentle push. Nothing to do with performance, just pure theater. And every petal is backed by an...
This is the Nebula Fang, and it looks like it came out of a dream. Part creature, part machine. These spine vents feel like tiny scales, and the finish flips between teal, violet, and even a bit of bronze, depending on where the light hits. Pop this little hatch and you get a glimpse of
The Vanta spindle feels almost unreal. Deep matte everywhere, then these tiny ridges, slick and glinting, set off with micro lines of teal. Rotate it and the cage of fins moves like a shadow cage, letting light hunt for the gloss.
Morning light really wakes this piece up. The bronze lattice is brushed, but these threads of glass are what steal the show. Each one splits the sun into little ribbons. Tilt it and the colors slide across like oil on water. The joints are smooth under a fingertip, no edges, just a continuous
firm. This is the Rift Frame Seraph, an airsoft sidearm that dresses function in sculpture. These plates fold out like the suggestion of wings, each feather etched and scalloped. Under morning light, the pearl metal finish.
This is the Helix Harbinger, a pair of brass spiral arms wrap around a smoked glass chamber, all of it trimmed in delicate filigree. Each arm pivots on its own little gear joint, complete with tiny etched numbers and symbols. Twist them apart, and the two helices open like a double door, leaving the chamber free in the middle.
This is the Vortex Spire, essentially a column of twisting barrels that climbs around a central core. Matte black, but every edge flashes color when the light hits it. Teal here, little violet there. The grooves feel like satin under a fingertip. No sharp breaks, just a continuous track. Ornamental.
This is the Clockwork Leviathan. Bronze plates stacked like armor over an aged leather spine. The finish has that soft handmade patina, but you can still see the polish catch the light.
This is the chrysalis coil. The shell is segmented, bone-like, but it shimmers, pearlescent, almost like a beetle wing. Between the plates you can see the copper ribs, each winding catching the light. Up top, a little leaf latch, and inside, these translucent filaments. They're not functional, just a